Another data type in MAXScript is point3. Point3 made of three subvalues inside brackets, and these three subvalues represent x, y, and z. So here I want to change the position of this object. I use a $sign for the selected object. Then I use a property of the position equal to, and inside the brackets I will write the new position, which is the first number is x, the second number is y, and the last number is z, and close the bracket, enter, and it will move to the new position. So here at this line you can see the position is same what we have right. And if you are also creating a new object such as b is equal to box, the same that you can change its other properties, you can here also use a pose and change its creation position, because by default it is 0 and it will create the object at the 0 position, but you can change it to anything that you want. And remember, this is the float number. The 0.3 is a float number, so you can use a decimal number. So the new object created here, before you always see just a 0, but now you can see the new position. To access a component of a 0.3 value, you can use .x, .y, and .z. So here I have a b pose, and I can change its position to 0, 0, 0. And if I just want to move the x direction pose and .x equal to 10, it moves to the x direction, and the other direction the same. Another properties of the objects is the color value. Here we want to change the wire color of the object. We will talk about the materials in another video, but now we just change the wire color of the object. To access the wire color of the object, I use a wire color, and then I can type the name of the color: red, green, blue, white, black, orange, yellow, brown, and gray. So I type the blue and it changed to the blue, or gray, it changed to the gray. You see the wire color also is changing. You can also use 0.3 values to specify color of the red, green, and blue. So here b wire color and equal. So the first number is red, the second number is green, and third number is blue. I hit enter and you see it changed. So I want to see the values. I go to the current color and you see the red color is 20, green is 50, the same value that we already typed it. So if I just change this to 0, for example, the first two color to 0, and they range from 0 to 255. So the last color is blue, so it become blue, and this should become green. To access each component separately, you can use the .r, .g, and .b. For example, I want to just change the red color, and I need just one value, 89. So you see the red color become 89. So this is how we can change the wire color and the position of the object. We will talk about material and transformation, move, rotate, and scale in another video.